again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add all your like songs on Spotify into a playlist. So in here, you can just open your Spotify on your computer like this and then go to your library and click on this like songs. So these are the songs that I like on Spotify. And if you want to add all of the songs into a playlist, you can just now click on your keyboard Control plus A. So you can see all of the songs will be selected just like this. And after that, click on Control plus C on your keyboard. So now the song has been copied, and after that you can just go back to your library again, and then here choose the playlist that you want to add the like song. For example, I'm going to go with this playlist one, so click on the playlist one in here, and now on the playlist one you can just click on Control plus V. Okay, so like you can see some of the songs are already in your playlist one, but if you want to, you can just click on add all or add only the new one. So I'm going to add all. Now, just like that, the songs will be added, the like songs will be added to the playlist that I choose. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.